In this video, you'll learn how to contact eBay support effectively. This guide will walk you through the steps to reach out for assistance regarding any issues you may encounter on the platform. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official eBay website. Once you're on the home page, scroll down to the very bottom. Here you will find a link labeled Help and Contact. Click on this link to access the eBay Help Center, which is designed to provide various support options. After clicking Help and Contact, you will be taken to the Help Center page. This section contains answers to many frequently asked questions related to eBay. You will notice a search bar at the top of the page. If you have a specific issue in mind, enter relevant keywords into this search bar to find helpful. If your problem is not resolved through the articles, you can proceed to contact support directly. Within the Help Center, locate the option that allows you to contact customer support. Depending on your geographical location, eBay may offer several contact methods, including live chat, phone support, or email assistance. Choose the option that best fits your preference and availability. If prompted, log into your eBay account. Signing in enables the support team to access your account information, which can help them assist you more effectively. Once you have selected a support method and are connected to a support representative, clearly explain the issue you are experiencing. Be sure to include any relevant details such as order numbers or specific product information. Providing this context allows the support team to understand your situation more quickly. During the conversation, be prepared to answer any additional questions they may have to facilitate a resolution. After discussing your issue, the support team will guide you through the steps necessary to resolve it. In many cases, they can address problems immediately. Once your issue has been resolved, it is courteous to thank the support agent for their assistance before ending the conversation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.